In this video, I will show you how to download the Bilibili app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for Bilibili. Normally, you should see the app appear right away. However, if you can't find it, especially the Chinese version of the app, don't worry, there is an easy solution. Here is what you need to do. Go to your setting app on your phone, tap on your Apple ID at the top, then choose Media and Purchases. Here, select View Account and choose Country or Region. Next, tap on Change Country or Region. Scroll down in the list of countries and select China Mainland. Agree to terms and conditions. Select the payment method as None and tap Next. If it does not proceed and require you to add billing details, then add some random address like I am doing. Once done, tap Next. It will take you to the App Store, where you will see that all the apps are in Chinese language. Now, go back to the App Store, search for Bilibili again, and you should now see the app available for download. After you have downloaded the app, you can go back to the settings, follow the same steps, and change your country or region back to your original location.